So this is broccoli. I just got it from Farm Fresh. So as you know, it's an immunity booster. We can make soup, salads. So I'll be showing you with this soup and salads. So let's see. So the water is hot. We'll be adding broccoli into this and we'll be blanching it. Good afternoon, good evening. What's up in the kitchen today? Something really nice and healthy. So can you guess? It's a salad again because Happy New Year, starting with salads. I've shown you the previous video also regarding salads. So this will be again a total different items, and the process is also different. So making salads in different way will make the morning breakfast a little bit appealing, interesting. So let's move before wasting much of time. So we'll be making today broccoli salad. So what all we need is, the main ingredient is broccoli. We have blanched it. We'll be needing corn, sweet corn. Then you have cottage cheese, lots of garlic cut into fine pieces. Then you have lots of ginger too, and you have one tomato cut into 4 pieces. Then you have cucumber. Then you have zucchini, yellow zucchini, capsicum, red capsicum. Then you have carrot. Here I have taken raw carrot, but you can blanch it if you like it soft taste. Then you have again onion, 1 medium size onion, salt, and almonds. Crushed fat a little bit. Then you have garam masala and pepper, black pepper and oil. So for this you can use either olive oil or sesame oil. So Indians can also use sesame oil. It goes very well because I have tasted it. But the thing is, whatever oil you use, please do add butter, because adding butter to the salad is again very, very tasty. So today I'll be doing with sesame oil. So let's move. So my pan is ready. I'll be adding 2 spoons of sesame oil. Then I'll add a big spoon full of butter. Then butter. The butter doesn't get black or brown. So it retains the flavor as well as the taste and the color too. So doing this, we'll be adding almonds, and this will be the first step, to roast the almonds, because it will give you the crunchy taste. Almonds are ready. You can see the brown color. It just took 2 minutes. That's it. We will take out the almonds out, and we will be taking the next step forward. That is frying the paneer. Second step will be slightly roasting my cheese cottage. Paneer. You can use tofu too. If you are vegan, you can go for tofu. If you are not using milk products, again you can go for tofu. But today we are using paneer. So we'll roast it. So my paneer is done. It is brown in color, you can see. Because they are too soft and tender. Be very careful. Third step is we'll be adding garlic to it. For 1 minute. You can even let the garlic go brown in color, because garlic again will have a very nice taste in this salad. Garlic and ginger are the main taste ingredients in this recipe. So at last everybody will be fighting for this garlic and ginger, which will be settled down after some time, but you will enjoy this the most. So this should be cooked correct. The garlic should be brown, and then the ginger. Yeah. Now you can see the garlic also getting brown. So now at this stage you will be adding onions, one medium sized onion cut into small pieces. You are not going to cook this onion, just it should be a transparent so that you can have the crunch of onions. So what I will be doing is adding the broccoli to it, adding corn to it. Yeah, it's so yummy, so different. My video, please do subscribe and share with your friends. So, now what I'll be doing is just adding all the vegetables into it and saute it for some time. Here, then you have carrot. If you like the crunchy taste, don't boil it. If you want soft, go for just blanching it. Then I have cucumber too. Just mix it well nicely. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. Be adding salt, very minimal, just less than half a spoon. Then you have pepper, half the spoon, because you have nice taste with pepper. So if you like spicy, you can reduce or decrease according to your choice. Then I'll be adding this tomatoes too into it and mixing it well. Add salt to it, the vegetables will become slightly tender. You can even close the lid for 2 minutes. So we'll remove the lid, add paneer into it. Now we'll be adding a quarter spoon of garam masala. That's it. At the end, because garam masala when added at the top or at the last stage will give you much better taste. So, now, wow, just see the color. I feel like it's so tempting, so beautiful to see, and the aroma of the garlic and ginger is all over the kitchen. But it's so yummy. Have you ever had the hot salad with ginger and garlic? My God, the aroma is just all over the kitchen. I just want to eat right from the pan, so I have to wait. Yeah, it's looking so yummy. Just see the colors. Salad should be of different colors. Red, blue, green, wow, yellow. Now it's ready to plate. The things are a little bit tender. Now it's ready to serve. We'll be doing the plating. So what I have done is just beneath I have added this Napa cabbage. So now I'll be just pouring the hot salad on the top. Wow, the smell, the aroma is so beautiful and so tempting. So now the last part is I'll be adding the almonds. It gives a healthy as well as a royal look. Eat healthy, be healthy, and just see. Wow, I just can't stop. So this salad is for everyone, and have a great time, have a healthy time. And let me just taste it. Salt and the garam masala. Please have the ginger garlic. That's too, yeah. It's too yummy. Have a great time. Epic with salad. Thank you. Have a great time.